and welcome to the first Photoshop tutorial here on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to overlay two images, and this is how you do it. First of all, you go to File, then you click Open, and you select your two images. For this instance, I will choose in this case I will choose this. I'll just wait for it to load. Okay, this one, and then I will choose another one. I will take this one. Now, what you want to do at this point is separate out two images. You want to come over here to background. Double click that one and click OK to unlock the background there. And then what you want to do is you want to your prominent image and click the move tool, take the move tool and bring it onto this image here. What you are left with is this one. Then what you want to do is you want to go to the edit button up here and click on the free transform button. This will then give you a box outline of the image that you choose to overlay. Like so. You can then decrease it like this, however you want to do that, and then that is it. That is the basic way, one of the ways as to how you can overlay images in Photoshop. I'll just get rid of this one. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more tutorials on the way very soon. I will in fact have more tutorials every few weeks on Photoshop. If you did like them, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and do tell me what you'd like to see next. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back soon with another tutorial.